ISRO has successfully launched PSLV C-56 with 7 Singaporean satellites. It included the DSR satellite of Singapore. This was a commercial mission of New Space India Limited for ST Engineering, Singapore and ISRO. PSLV is one of the most successful launch vehicles of ISRO. This was the 58th flight of PSLV and 17th in the core alone mode. What is this core alone mode? This is also a variant of PSLV. So let us first understand the model of PSLV. So this is a typical model of PSLV. At first there are strap-on motors and the number of motors depend on the weight of the payload. There may be 4 strap-ons or 2 or 6. Then first stage is of solid fuel. Second is of liquid fuel. Third is again solid. And then fourth stage, PS4 stage, is liquid fuel. In the core alone mode, there are no strap-on motors. This gives the flexibility to conduct various experiments. In the C-56, they first launched the satellites at an altitude of 536 km, and then using the PS4 stage, they brought the rocket to an orbit of 300 km. This has been done to mitigate the space debris problem. What happens? The rocket orbits the space for several years before they enter the Earth's atmosphere and burn out, creating the space debris problem. But bringing them to an orbit of 300 km means that this duration is now reduced to only 2 months. PSLV 4 stage, which was at the elevation of 535 km, circular orbit in a 5-degree inclination, was brought back to a lower orbit of 300 km, reducing the time it will spend in the space to just 2 months. So this is a unique experiment and a successful one. So not only PSLV was successful in launching the satellites in the orbit, but it also conducted experiment using the PS4 stage. Now some facts about the satellites that were launched. The DSR satellite will be used to support the satellite imagery requirements of various agencies within the government of Singapore. There are 6 other satellites, including a nano satellite, a standard CubeSat. In April, ISRO launched PSLV C-55, launching the Telos satellite, which was also a successful mission. So this was all about PSLV C-56 and core alone mode. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more such videos.